Hi there, this is Dennis from Checkout Links, and today I just wanted to show you a neat way me and Sammy from Discount Kit have been seeing merchants spin up quick campaigns recently. So what I want to create is a campaign with a volume discount for selling t-shirts, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. So first off, I need to create my discount, and I'll do that with Discount Kit's product volume 1, and I'm just gonna name it product volume t-shirts for now, and it's going to be an automatic discount, and I want it to apply to specific products, so just find them here, and let's see, I'm just going to pick all of my t-shirts. Here we go, and I want it to be grouped by mix and match, and I'm just going to create my tiers here. So tier 1 will be buy 2 get 10% off. Tier 2 will be buy 4 get 20% off, and I'm gonna add a third one, which will be buy 6 get 30% off. So yeah, that's about it for the discount. Real easy. I'm just gonna save that and head over to Checkout Links. And in here, I want to create my link. I'm gonna do a landing page link, and it will be called product volume t-shirts link. And to my product grid, I want to add the same t-shirts that are in the discount. So here we go, real quick, like that. Also in my grid, I want to group them. So I need to scroll down and do group by variants. Settings, we're gonna do a medium. Let's show the variant picker. And yeah, let's have a product, like a headline as well. And I also want to change the logo to something nicer. Let's pick this one, and add a top bar to further push my campaign message. There we go. And some content as well. So I'm just gonna copy it from here and style it up a little bit like that. Let's bold this and add an image as well. There we go. So now the link is done. Just gonna hit save, and bam, campaign is created. I can visit it, and there we go. So my landing page is done for this campaign, and let's test out the discount. So if I'll add 2 shirts, for example, yeah, you see buy 2 get 10% off. Easy as that. Add a third one, same thing going on. Add a fourth one, yeah. So yeah, it's really easy like that to create one of these campaigns with Discount Kit and Checkout Links. So if you have any questions or anything, just let me know and we'll figure it out. Thanks, bye.